Okay, family. This video is gonna be me explaining what I was doing. The original sound was interrupted many times, by noises in the house. It's a Saturday morning, so a lot of stuff going on. I'm using my 3 cup in 1 cup in this one, and I added the copper in the outer ring. I really like this copper. This is Deco Art copper. It's very nice when it dries. So I'm gonna try to do something like testing, and at the same time doing a challenge that I got for these colors. I say that I'm testing it because I'm working on the big project, the second one I'm doing, and I'm thinking of using maybe this combination of colors. So on the second ring, I put tallow blue, and in the center, I will actually in that second ring, I put the tallow blue first, and then I'm overlaying. I'm on top of the blue. I'm putting the tallow green. Now in the center, I'm gonna fill that cup with the cloud effect paint that we prepared the other day. This is the one with the pouring media. But instead of doing a normal ring like we normally do, as you're gonna see, I'm gonna be just doing like big circles, getting closer to the center. And in the center, then I will just finish the rest of the cup. My original idea was, building something out of this pour only. I'm using my spin table, one of them. This is the one that doesn't spin that much, but it helps. The canvas was already filled with white paint in the back, in the base, with the typical, artist love white paint and flutteral, kind of a little more diluted than normal. I'm gonna begin the stretching, the tilting, looking for something to happen. And you see the paint is moving quite easily because of that base paint that I have there. It's impossible for you guys to see everything because of the camera angle. Because I'm working on that other big job, I don't have the top view available because I'm using the stand for the wood that I'm cutting and that kind of stuff. That video is gonna be coming out as soon as I finish that paint. So this is starting to look nice. From the beginning I wanted to leave some negative spaces. So now I'm thinking maybe not enough of what I was looking for. Maybe the copper took more of what I was expecting. And then I decided, okay, let's get rid of a little negative space just to leave it, in the corners. So I tilted to the right. And not much, it was a little only. Then bring it back to the center. Or close to the center, because I never like to do things to center, Right now in my mind, it's already thinking I need to add something here. So I decided to add a ring pour. This time not the 3 cup in 1 cup. I just took a normal paper cup and layered the white. Then I layered the blue under green. I decided to give it a little more character, and I added 1 drop of silicone to the green, because last time I added 2 and it was like too much. So I decided, let's see what happens with only 1. Remember, I'm just practicing on what I'm planning on doing on the 42 by 48 panel that I'm working. This time this panel is going to be separated instead of the 3 times like the last one I did. This canvas that I'm working on, or this panel that I'm working, is divided in 5 different sections. So it gave me a little more work, but you'll see it. It's coming soon. I am very pleased that we got so much attention in Facebook and Instagram. You know, many positive comments. People love what I did, and yeah, everybody's very happy. That paint is already in the radacrylic.com website for sale. So if some of you or you want to see it, it's there. You know, the price is there too. I figure that this is my way of thinking, that because it's separated in 3 different sections, it's possible to ship it. So anyone can have that beautiful piece in their house. So you see that I already did the ring pour, or what looks like a ring pour, because at the end I just decided to throw the paint in different directions, looking for something different. And again, tilting, more tilting, until I find what I'm looking for. It's already looking nice. I was very pleased for the result, and very happy for reaching that first goal that I put myself. It was to reach the 500 subscribers. So we did that already. Now in the month of April, we will be taking a draw, a raffle, or whatever you like to say. I'm gonna be giving away 3 paints, and at the end of this video, don't lose the opportunity to see them, because I'm gonna be showing them. So I like what I see. I then move it a little to that corner down there, because I wanted to get rid of the white that was there. I was not looking that. It looks like, you know, the water is coming, or something is coming out of that hill or something. So I like it very much. I also want to let you guys know that, you know, it's a good time to tell you to subscribe if you haven't done so yet. If you are not subscribed yet, do it. Ring that, check that bell in order to get notifications as soon as we post videos. I decided to add a ribbon with the leftover paint that I had in that cup. You know, I think it gave a little more effect in that section there that was like too white. So it kind of looked cool. Please let me know in your comments what you think, if you like what you're seeing, or if you want to see something different, or you want to see something, I can try it. This is a close look at all 4 corners. You can see, you know, that, you know, it's beautiful. That will dry exactly as you're looking at that. It's going to be very nice and very shiny. Thanks for watching. Blessings. Hi family, this is a very short video showing you the paints that I'm gonna be giving away to celebrate the 500 subscriber in YouTube. It's a 10 by 20 that was done with a 3 cup in 1 cup, a dirty pour, and these two beauties here with the bottle bottom pour. In order to get subscribed for that drawing, you have to go to radacrylic.com. That's my website where I sell all my paintings. And there's a section there that you can send me a message, right? And as soon as I receive that, I will be including you in the drawing. It's gonna be taking place now in the month of April. The exact date will be given away very soon. So get involved. Just send me a note and I will include you. All right? Thank you very much for your subscriptions and keep on watching. More to come. Take care.